Hi everyone, this is Jared Education na kung saan nandito si Jared para magbigay ng edukasyon. Hi everyone, welcome to my channel and you're here to learn about rational equation. Shall we get started? 4x squared minus 3x minus 1 minus 3x squared plus 3 is equals to 12. Now, to get the factor, all we need is combining light term. Ang gagawin natin is pagsasamahin natin yung same variable which is nilalabas dito sa equation is 4x squared tsaka 3x squared. Ngayon, 4x squared minus 3x squared equals to x squared. And then, yung 3x, since wala siyang same variable, bring down lang natin siya. Next is negative 1 plus 3 is equals to 2. Positive 2. And then, the 12, ililipat natin siya sa equal sign, so magiging negative 12 equals to 0. Now, combining the 2 and then negative 12 should be out and negative 10. 3x minus 2x is equals to 0. Now, to get the factor, all we need is to kunin lang natin, titignan natin dito yung magmumultiply sa 10 na ang kakalabasan is 3. Ang nakikita ko dito na kakalabasan is 3 is 5 minus 2, which is equivalent to 3. Now, to get the factor, all we need is copy lang natin yung 5 tsaka 2. Since negative yun na andito, magiging x minus 5 since dapat ang malaking number is nasa negative, and then x plus 2 dahil yun ang pinakamaliit na number. And that should be the factor of the equation. Now, after we got the factors, we need to find the possible values of x. To find the possible value of x is gagawin natin ng equation na x minus 5 is equal to 0. To get the possible value of x, transpose the negative 5 through equal sign, so magbabago yung sign niya. So, x is equals to 5. Now, yan na yung pinakaunang possible value ng x, and then sa second value of x is x plus 2 is equals to 0. Again, transpose, so magbabago ng sign. So, x minus x is equals to negative 2. Now, after natin makuha yung factors nila and the possible value of x, we need to check it. By checking it, babalik tayo doon sa pinakaunang equation, which is yung 4x plus 1 over x plus 1 minus 3 is equals to 12 minus x squared minus 1. And then, isa-substitute natin yung values ng x na nakuha natin kanina, which is yung x equals to 5 and then x equals to negative 2. Doon muna tayo sa 5. So, by substitution, magiging x 4 times 5 plus 1 is equals to 5 plus 1 minus 3 is equals to 12 over 5 squared minus 2. And then 4 times 5 equals to 20 plus 1 is equals to over 5 plus 1 is equals to 6. Then 20 plus 1 equals to 21 over 6 minus 3 is equals to 12. Copy pa din. And then 5 times 5 equals 25 minus 1. So, ang sagot dyan is 21 over 6 minus 3 is equals to 12 over 24. And by simplifying it, it should be 3 of 6 is equals to 12 over 24. Now, para makuha natin yung value nila, i-divide both side by 3 and then Ito naman, divide both side by 12. Since yun ang pagkapareho nila. So, 3 divided by 3 is equals to 1. 3 divided by 6 equals to 2. And then, 12 divided by 12 equals to 1. And then, 24 divided by 12 is equals to 2. So, ibig sabihin, tama siya. And no extraneous roots. And no extraneous roots. Last one is yung value naman po ng isa pang possible value ng x, which is yung negative 2. The substitution for negative 2 plus 1 over negative 2 plus 1, and then negative 3 is equals to 12 negative 2 squared minus 1. By simplifying it, negative 7 over negative 1, negative 3 minus 12 over 3. 12 over 3 equals to 4. By simplifying this equation, it's equals to 4. So, same value sila. So, it's correct. And then, no extraneous roots. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. And if you learned something, hit that notification bell to learn more and then subscribe. Thank you.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.